Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel BrainBridge. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is answer writing program series. And this is ninth question of this series related to geography GS. The question is, how does the melting of the Arctic ice and glacier of the Antarctic differently affect the weather pattern and human activities on the earth? This question was asked in 2021 in 250 words. So first of all, we will describe the answer format of this question. Answer format. There would be three parts: intro, main body, and the conclusion part. Conclusion. So the theme of this question was melting of glacier, either in Arctic or in Antarctic. So due to melting, what will be the effect on weather pattern and what will be the effect on human activities? So in main body part, we will uh, describe in two parts. First, effect on weather, and second, effects on human activities. Human activities. Due to melting of ice in Arctic and in Antarctic. Similarly, Arctic and Antarctic ग्लेशियर मेल्ट होने से क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा ऑन ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज, वो हम उस पार्ट में भी लिखेंगे सेकंड में. सो दिस इज द मेन बॉडी. इन फर्स्ट पार्ट वी विल ट्राई टू इंट्रोड्यूस लाइक ड्यू टू मेल्टिंग what will be the common effect like sea level rise, global warming और उसका थोड़ा side effect. Main answer would be answered in main body, and in conclusion we will provide summary of the main body part. So in introduction, melting of the Arctic ice and the glacier of Antarctic, it has distinct and profound effects on weather pattern and human activities on earth. Now in main body, effect on weather pattern due to Arctic ice melting. First, temperature will change. Arctic is warming at more than twice the global average rate. This phenomena is known as Arctic amplification. Arctic amplification. ये कुछ ऐसे कीवर्ड्स हैं जिनको आप अगर यूज करते हो तो आपका आंसर और ज्यादा इनरिच दिखता है. As sea ice melt, it reduces the albedo effect because dark ocean water absorb more heat rather than ice, which leads to further warming. Second is jet stream alteration. Loss of sea ice affect the jet stream, a fast flowing air current in the atmosphere near tropopause. The reduced temperature difference between Arctic and the equator weakens the jet stream, causing it to meander more. So जो रोसबी वेव है वो और भी ज्यादा meandering करने लगेगा. This can lead to prolonged weather pattern such as extended period of heat waves, cold spells or storms in mid latitudes. Third is extreme weather. Due to change in jet stream, more frequent and severe extreme weather events could occur like hurricane, blizzards, intense rainfall affecting regions far from Arctic. So extreme weather. So this is the effect of Arctic ice melting on weather pattern. Now due to Antarctic glacier melting, sea level rise, which is common in both Arctic and Antarctic. So our Antarctic ice sheet hold about 60% of world's fresh water. As it melts, it will significantly increase the sea level. This process is slower but has long-term implications for coastal region worldwide. Ocean circulation की बात करें, then melting of Antarctic glacier affect the global thermohaline current, also known as global conveyor belt. which is driven by differences in water temperature and salinity. Fresh water input from melting ice can disrupt this circulation and potentially leading to changes in climate pattern of the world. Third is temperature and precipitation. Direct impact on weather pattern is less immediate compared to Arctic. But the disruption in ocean currents can lead to changes in temperature and precipitation pattern globally over time. This is the result of Antarctic glacier melting on weather. Now, second part of main body, effect on human activities. First, due to Arctic ice melting. So, maritime navigation is the first result or first effect. Reduction in sea ice will open new shipping routes like northern sea route and northwest passes. It will reduce travel time between Europe and Asia. However, this also increase the risk of maritime accidents and environmental disasters in these fragile ecosystems. Second, resource extraction. Melting ice makes previously inaccessible oil, gas, mineral resources more reachable. तो जो oil, gas, mineral resource वहां दबे हुए हैं वो अब visible हो जाएंगे. It means prompting exploration and extraction activities which can lead to further environmental degradation and geopolitical tensions. Third is indigenous communities. Livelihood of indigenous people in the Arctic will heavily impacted. Traditional hunting, fishing, travel are disrupted by changes in ice cover and animal migration. तो इनुइट हम लोगों को पता है ट्राइब है वो अपने घर बना के रहते हैं इग्लू. Next is Antarctic glacier melting. So due to Antarctic glacier melting, sea level will rise. और उससे क्या होगा जो कोस्टल एरियाज हैं कोस्टल सिटीज threatens coastal cities infrastructure ecosystem. Low lying areas may face increased flooding, land loss and displacement of population. Climate regulation. Antarctic plays a crucial role in regulating the earth's climate. Changes here can have far-reaching effect on global weather pattern like agriculture, water resources, impacting on food security and human health. कुल मिला के बहुत वास्ट इम्पैक्ट देखने को मिलेंगे. एंड लास्ट इज साइंटिफिक रिसर्च. ड्यू टू मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस, न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज फॉर साइंटिस्ट will be made in future. It will offer insights into climate change and its impacts. आपको पता ही है वैसे भी हमारे भारती, दक्षिण गंगोत्री और मैत्री ये कुछ जो साइंटिफिक रिसर्च हैं रिसर्च स्टेशन, these stations are located in Antarctic. तो ऐसी साइंटिफिक एक्टिविटीज और बढ़ जाएंगी. However, it also poses challenges for existing research stations and logistics due to changing environmental conditions. So Antarctic glacier melting से क्या impact पड़ा on human activities ये भी cover हो गया. Now come to conclusion part. While both Arctic and Antarctic ice melt contribute to global sea level rise, more immediate and pronounced impact on weather pattern come from the Arctic. The Arctic influences weather patterns through changes in the jet stream and extreme weather events, whereas the Antarctic primary influence is on sea level because वो south में है and most of the population of the world is live in northern hemisphere. और northern hemisphere में क्या है Arctic. तो Arctic का result हमारे ऊपर ज्यादा पड़ेगा, Arctic का impact हम पे ज्यादा होगा. So rise and ocean circulation affecting long-term climate regulation. Both regions melting ice significantly impact human activities from maritime navigation and resource extraction to the displacement of coastal communities and the functioning of global ecosystem. So that is all for today's lesson. If you have any question or comments, leave them down below. Make sure to subscribe my channel Brain Bridge for more great educational content. See you next time. Thank you.